Mga ka-wild, nagpapahinga tayo ito sa malilim na bahagi ng kagubatan. Ayun yung isa kong kasama, naka-break kami. Shout out kay Sergeant Custodio at Sergeant Bait-It ng buong Port Marine Brigade. Pasensya ka na Mig, ngayon lang ako nakapag upload ulit, gawa ng busy. At nandito tayo ngayon sa bagong site natin na sinusurvey sa gitna ng rainforest. At may mga nakita tayong ahas at sawa. At makikita nyo yan na mamaya pagka natapos yung pinanood ng video, at ipapaliwanag ko kung anong uri ng snake o python siya.
In some sun?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is that the amethyst python, sir?
Yeah.
Same like what I saw last month.
Yeah.
Nice snake.
Over 5 meters. They eat when they're really big, they eat wallabies and pigs and dingoes. And, oh yeah. But yeah, they go and eat.
Yo, Jack.
How you going, Jack? I think I can hear you in line.
Yeah, I'm pretty close to Ramel now.
3 of us are moving slowly, Ramel. Coming to you, Riley.
It's not a python.
Yeah, same, Jesse.
That's it?
I don't know. I don't know what. We take a photo.
Yeah. It's fucking huge. Yeah. Oh, they are not disposing anymore.